Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of It is Normal for Me to Develop a Yandere Heroine. To Xiaoyang, right now, she's been contested, able to move out from the school. Not so, she will get expelled by the mothers. Isn't it something that the chairman will find a supervisor for me later? It is happening right now. Well, right now Starju suddenly barged in. Starju said to herself, and the subject of supervision has become Xiaoyang. Well, they really need to focus on Xiaoyang, so in future she will not hurt anyone. Especially what happened on that day. If I hadn't met Miller on the road, I wouldn't have even know about it in advance. Arju, she was really right in time. Forget it, there are more important things done right now. Xiaoyang, right now, if you want to supervise people, I can do that. Well, she mean that he is willing to supervise her all the time. As for the principal, she really required someone watch for her. Remember that after supervisor came into being, a lot of things happened that made me get acquainted with the supervisor. No one can grab such a good opportunity. Well, Starju is moving closer to her, since she won't let her go. Of course, right now, Xiaoyang, she finally agreed. Starju is the one who will need to supervise her. Well, I bet Starju won't let anyone go near to her. But right now, classmate Xinglu, who is not gorgeous, you skip class again. How did you know about the supervisor? Of course, she has an own way. And right now, it's been debated by the smartest of Starju. Relationship between the two of them is really good. No matter what, the supervisor of classmate Chang Yang has been decided. You go back to the class gorgeously. Well, it's settled. Everything is settled. Starju is the one who will supervise Xiaoyang. But the supervisory matter is not simple as they thought. In addition to supervising Jiang Yang, supervisor also want to protect her. Oh, this is it. Well, it was easy peasy for Starju. Classmate Jiang Yang finally defeated Cerberus with the power of legendary Star Power. Oh, all of them. As in Starju, although I issued the magic wand in time. So here it is. Jiang Yang been taught that she is the Starju, and she possesses the Star Power. Right now Starju also would hunted her. But as time goes by, paper cannot cover the fire. Instead of doing this, it is better to find a reliable partner for Jiang Yang. Prince Miller and Alger were both good choices, but Prince Miller refused. Now we can only rely on Alger, get the power of the star, and save the North. Power of the night was definitely star power, and I couldn't pass it off. Well, this was really to avoid. Subdue the power of star that has been possessed by Xiaoyang. Well, they got it wrong. Star power was on Starju. Prince said the teacher has made decision. Classmates, get out of the way right now. Who cares about you? Starju said to them. Fair to the others, I'm more suitable, right, Xiaoyang? Starju, right now, give Xiaoyang to anyone. Don't let the accidents happen again. Well, Xiaoyang. Well, of course, you need to accept Starju. Xiaoyang said right now, no. Only in this way, I can be qualified to stay by your side. Starju said to her, of course, Xiaoyang, right now, you really can accept it. But Starju, you really want to do it. Starju, right now, she looks really sad. Ah, Xiaoyang. Of course, she's been expected. Xiaoyang will really choose her. But right now, it is not. Starju looked back at her. Well, probably, she needed support for anyone. It seems that all of them is not agreeing. Well, this is really sad. Especially for Starju. You two, I'm not ready to agree. Xiaoyang said to the two boys. Also, for Starju. Well, so, she can be choose. It happened to be interrupted by Lu. But one of the friends seems to be puzzled. Well, maybe it's been expected that he will be chosen one. Supervise Xiaoyang. Classmate Zhang Yang, maybe you think that it's inconvenient for classmates Alger to follow, but I believe that we are gorgeous. This is really for your own good. Oh, this man, it seems that right now, he really can't help it. Well, Xiaoyang suddenly paused. Suddenly, she got to run fast about Starju. But why right now is rushing through? Well, let's so. Turns out, she really wants to stop one of the friends right now. He is too weak. Oh, this is the reason. The prince is really too weak. He not see. Xiaoyang is coming through him. Well, the prince is weak. Not supervised by the people who are weaker than me. So, this is it. It's a reason for now being protected by Starju, right? I really mean it that she already exposed. The prince is really weak. She is on a look down on me. The prince said to herself, well, this is the punishment. She's been really too high on herself. Her gorgeous skill. Well, we can blame her. Xiaoyang, she was really smart. Until now, she really outsmart everyone. So, to become partner with Starju, legal way, this is her tricky way to trick all of them. It turned out to be like this. Xiaoyang agreed to supervise because he was worried that he would lose control and hurt me. So, that's it. Right now, Starju, she want to call Xiaoyang. Xiaoyang, at this moment, she's been really serious. Of course, Starju's life might be exposed if she's been with her. Well, as a thank you, Starju gently kissed her. Xiaoyang, she was really blushing through. What a sweet girl she is. She really outsmart all of them. After kissing her, both of them are out of breath. She kept herself closer to Xiaoyang. Of course, Xiaoyang right now has been puzzled. She really can't believe that Starju would kiss her, especially right now. So a lot of people might see them. Well, it's not all her fault. Starju, she want to be vocal. It's like it's declaring her as her own mind. She really got loose. Because of the interruption, she didn't even know Starju is holding a knife and it's pointing on her. Xiaoyang, then, I am your supervisor right now. Well, finally, she really win this time. Especially, she really show herself that she is really a tricky and mischievous. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!